You better turn up.
Hey everybody, this is Shonda. So forgive me, I'm still trying to get used to this whole microphone thing. So if my hair or something's rubbing, my bad. 2018, guys, what? It was just 2017. We just remember Donald Trump becoming president. Anyway, so we're in a new year. I know one of my goals, I don't do resolutions because I break them. So I'm going to say goals is to soften my skin, right? And so came across this gorgeous little company, and it's called Shea Butter Company. So first, what I'm going to do is run down what they are all about. So Shea Butter Company, they have organic and raw African unrefined ivory grade A scented shea butter with a vast range of parabens, phthalate-free fragrances, and organic essentials. They don't test on animals, which I'm very happy about, or they don't knowingly purchase from suppliers that do. They're committed to offering natural, vegan-friendly, sustainably sourced, and cruelty-free products. So the good thing about their products is that they have an 18-month shelf life, which is awesome because I have quite a few items here and I'm pretty sure I'm not going to use them, well, the way my skin is, I probably would use them up in a year. But for those who don't have like severely dry skin like I do, you have that little bit of time frame that you can work through, 18-month shelf life. And they do have international shipping for all of my overseas folks and across the border folks. You can order it too. Alright, so I have 5 different scents. I have 2 that are 8-ounce jars, and then I have 3 that are their 2-ounce jars. As you can see, my jars are still sealed. So we're going to be going through this together, getting the initial smell test and the texture test. I've never used their shea butter before, so I'm really excited to see how it's going to be on how their formula is going to react with my skin. I will tell you guys up front that I have really dry skin, especially in Michigan in the winter. It's like, ew, you know what I'm saying? So I'm going to pray that I can not only have something that's actually scented, but it's a shea butter formula that'll work for my skin while smelling good, because it's hard to find a good shea butter that actually has fragrance in it that will moisturize your skin, right? So we're gonna go through this together. I'm gonna do the 2-ounce jars first, and so I'm gonna do vanilla lavender first. Y'all just don't know how long or how bad I wanted to open these, but I was like, nope, I'm gonna do it on video so that you guys, so that it doesn't appear that I'm lying. You know, I don't ever want anyone to think that I'm trying to sell something for someone or giving a false review of something. And I feel like doing it right on camera, I talk with my face, y'all will see the expression. I'm not gonna be able to lie. All right, so it has a whipped texture. I'll try to do some close-up shots so that you guys can see what's going on. So it's got a whipped texture. I like this already. So this one, vanilla lavender. I love this. All right, so let's play with it here. Yep, definitely like. So I can only attribute things to food. So it's like whipped icing. Oh yes. This can get a little PG-13. I'll put it on the camera. But no, this has a really good texture. And I don't know if y'all can even hear me rubbing this on my dry skin. But it feels so good. And it doesn't feel heavy. Y'all know how y'all can buy those shea butters or just even lotions in general that are like real heavy and it doesn't seem like it's rubbing in or going anywhere, like it's just sitting on the top of your skin. Nope. This is what, y'all, I don't even know how I can even get any better than vanilla lavender. This smells so freaking good. Alright, so I'm not gonna, well, I may put some on this arm just so that this arm won't be ashier than this arm. Alright, so vanilla lavender, this one I have in the 2-ounce container. It's a well-rounded combination of fresh lavender, fresh vanilla beans, orange zest, and patchouli. You can definitely, you have those hints under it. And honestly, I'm gonna be completely honest, when I selected this scent, I was really afraid. I don't really like vanilla scented things. I don't like sweet smelling things. I like stuff that's more floral or possibly even earthy, but really more floral scents. This one you pick up more lavender than the vanilla, which I'm very happy about. Alright, so the next one I want to do is Bordeaux Rose, and I'm gonna be completely honest, I selected this one just because of the name. I like the name. So they're all gonna have the same consistency. There's really no need for me to go through and be like, ooh, oh, there's a different consistency. Nope, they're all whipped. Oh, yes. I love this Bordeaux Rose. I'm not even really sure what the scent or what the part of the name Bordeaux means with this, but this is just completely rose scented and I love it. Oh, I love this Bordeaux Rose. This one is a luxurious fragrance blended of burgundy rose, fresh white floral nuances, burgundy wine, precious musk, and applewood. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and finish out the 2-ounce jars, and the last one I have that's a 2-ounce is Winter Candy Apple. I'm a little scared only because candy apple, that's a heavy sweet scent. So hopefully it's more apple than candy. So I thought it was going to be like real sweet. What is this winter apple candy? It's like a real subtle apple scent. I would probably wear this more in the spring. I really like this. It's a very light scented apple smell. I don't know where the candy come in at. So when I think of candy apple, I just think of like candy. You know what I'm saying? But this one, I really like this, but more so for spring. Alright, so Winter Candy Apple. This one is a part of their limited edition holiday collection. It's a delicious combination of crisp apples, pineapples, zest of orange, neroli, cinnamon, sandalwood, fresh musk, bamboo, and patchouli. I'm gonna be completely honest. The only thing that I really smell in this one is the apple. Maybe a little bit of orange. Maybe once I put it on, like I did with the Winter Candy Apple, with the Bordeaux Rose, more of those hints of the other scents will come out. But just based off of me smelling it in here, only thing I really smell is apple. I can pick up a little bit of the orange. This is definitely going to be one of my spring scents. Alright guys, so we're going to move into the 8-ounce jar. So I think I'm going to go ahead and just start with Wintergarden. Wintergarden is another one of their limited edition scents. Alright, so this one is definitely like outside in the woods, surrounded by pine trees. That's what I get. I don't know why I think of clean when I smell this, which is a good thing, right? I want people to know that I'm clean, but I think of like clean when I smell this. All right, so Wintergarden. This one is a refreshing, cool blend of fresh lime, menthol, Douglas fir, lavender, eucalyptus, and pine. Told y'all, outside in the snow, around a bunch of pine trees, eucalyptus, menthol, all of that. That's exactly what I picked up. This is a winter scent for sure. I'll probably finish out the winter, like it didn't just start. I'll probably wear this more so throughout the winter because this is the scent and this is what I'm picking up. So I really like this one. It's definitely a stronger scent though. All right, last but not least is I'm really excited to try this one based off of the name alone. So if any of y'all ever want to send anything to me, unicorn things, I would be a fan of it. I'm a fan of unicorn anything. So I got this one based solely off of the name Unicorn Magic. So I hope this don't let me down, guys, because this is the one that I really wanted to talk about. Unicorn Magic. Yep. Yep. Alright, so this is a playful scent. Oh, this smells really good, guys. I can't even begin to think what's in this, but it's extremely playful. Unicorn Magic. I really like this. Unicorn Magic. So this one is a beautiful and feminine combination of sheer floral notes of iris, jasmine, water lily, orchid, white rose, neroli, pink grapefruit blossoms, and sensual bottom notes of sandalwood, softwood, and tonka bean. Guys, oh, this smells so good. I can't wait to see how this actually reacts with my natural skin. Let me just give you guys an idea of how dry my skin is. I generally only use baby oil and eucerin lotion, and I have to use them together. Like when I shower, I get out of the shower, I put on Johnson & Johnson's baby oil, and then I layer on top eucerin. That's the only thing that I can wear that will keep me hydrated. My skin has always been dry. I've upped my water intake, still doesn't help. I mean, this is just how I've been all of my life, just dry, okay? The fact that I can actually, hopefully, have moisturized skin with a scent on it is just beyond me. I buy scented lotions and stuff from like Bath and Body Works, but you know, you put it on, you go to the bathroom, wash your hands, and then I'm coming back out and I'm dry again. So I'm praying that this works. But if I'm recommending this, guys, based off a scent alone, I would completely recommend for you guys to check out Shea Butter Company. I'm very excited about my Shea Butters, and the only one that I'm not going to use immediately will be this Winter Candy Apple, which is so weird because it's called Winter Candy Apple, but I'm going to use this one in the spring because that's what I'm getting. Probably the Bordeaux Rose also. I would use the other three before I use these two because these are spring scents. Cannot wait to re-up on these and get the 8-ounce jars because I have to have the 8-ounce jars of these two in my life. Alright guys, so that's like my little review slash unboxing, if you will, of Shea Butter Company. I'm going to put all of their links, all of the scents that I got, and the descriptions of the scents in the description box below. And yeah, let me know what you guys think. Have you ever tried them? Do you think you will try them? I love scents, and if I can get that plus moisturization in the same thing, then I'm winning. I am winning already in 2018. Let me know how you like this video, and I will see you guys in the next one.